Hello guys, thank you for opening this. Today we are going to build a desktop application using VB. So this is how we are going to do it. So we are going to build a progress bar, which is optional. Okay, which is optional. Then we are going to build a login a login here like this. Then we are going to make sure that the login, after signing in successfully, then it will take you to the main form. Okay, it will take you to the main form. Let's say a simple form like this. Then if you want to go to the future value, that's the place you. So that's the progress bar. We're going to build the main page. Then we're going to build the future values. Then I think it's 4. You're going to build the login. It's supposed to be 3, but I'm going to add progress bar to it. So the progress bar, I'll just do it simple, and it will get easy for us to just start. So this is how it will run. Okay, so let's click on the start. So when you start, the progress bar will load like this. The login will come. You enter your credential. Let's say bright, and let's say 1 2 3 4. I think you know my password now. So let's click on login. So login successfully. Click on OK. It will lead you to the main form. The main form, we have feature values and many things. All of them are working. So this one is what we are going to build. So if I click on this happen. So let's say you are going to get paid for, let's say 20,000. Your rate will be, let's say 30%, and the time that you are going to use is, let's say, calculate it. You get 43,940. Okay, that's your money. Okay, so we are going to just build this thing so that we can even clear this and go back, and also we can even log out to come here and clear everything, and also close everything, get back to the program. So this is what we are going to do. So we are going to start with the progress bar. So let's start with the progress bar and build all those 4 things in just a few minutes. Don't worry, a few minutes. So let's start. So click on file here, select new, select project. Okay, select Windows Form application. Then make sure that you save it where you remember. So I have this here. Let me delete this one here. Okay, so now this is where I'm going to save my file here. So I'll select this folder from the desktop. I go to something called net, then I save it there. So you can use any name that you want. I've already started with index numbers and many things. So here's the net. So I select that place and I click OK. So this is how the form will look like. So you can adjust the size of it. And we're going to start with the progress bar. So you head on to toolbox. Okay, toolbox, then you search for progress bar. That's what I'm saying, it's going to be easy. So progress bar, you drag it, you drop it here, make sure that it's big like this, big here, put it in the center like this, like how I did my own. Then we need to make sure some green thing is here so that you will see that it starts from there and it's loading. So you click on it, the progress bar like this, then you go for then you go down here, select behavior. The place that behavior is, you want to make sure that his behavior is at least 10 for the value. So 10 for the value here, so that there will be a green lane here like that. So then we need a timer. So that we will check as it's going on. So let's put a timer there. So the timer is just drag and drop. So the timer will be down here like that. I think I've dropped 2 times. So timer 1 is okay. The timer is here, it's fine. Let's put some label here to make it nice. Let's say the login. So let's say label here, just put the label there. So the label, click on it, go, you see test here under the appearance, you see test. Then let's make it as login, sorry, loading. So loading it. So this is how it's going to be. So you put it, sure it's loading like this. It's okay. Then this is how we are going to do it. We are going to use a timer to make sure that this thing is moving and also it stops at certain point. So you click on the timer, not on the progress bar. You click on the timer. So we click on the timer here. So this is how it is. So we want to make sure that the progress bar is moving. We've already made sure that it's 10 already. So it should be moving, let's say 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, because the progress bar here, if I not put 10 and I put 20, you see that it will move forward like that. So we are going to make sure that it will move 5, 5, 5, then finish. That's what we are going to do. So let's put 10 here. So 10 is fine, so that it will be small like this. You can choose any number you want, but I prefer 10. So you click on the timer here, then you write something like progress bar dot increase. Okay, so I should increase 5 times. So this is it. So you just write progress bar one dot. The progress bar, this name is not that I made it up or it's already here. If you go to the name here for the design, this is where we keep the ID for every number here. So this one is the timer, its ID is timer 1, so that's why it's there like that. So for the progress bar, its ID is progress bar 1, so that's why the progress bar 1 came inside of this place. So okay, I hope you get that one. This is just the idea of it. So progress bar 1 dot increase. Okay, so increment. Okay, it will always suggest for you, so whether you remember or not, it will just suggest for you. So dot increment, you just put +5 here. So that's it. It will be increasing +5 till it's finished. So +5 here. Then let's say, let's give a condition. If, okay, so if the progress bar dot value, or let's say its value, is equals to 100, then me dot hide. Then if it's equals to 100, then it should hide the entire surface. That's it. These are the codes for the progress bar. So we are done for the progress bar. So progress bar dot increment +5. Then if the progress bar dot value is equals to 100, then it should hide the entire face. So that's it. We are done with the progress bar. So once you hide it, you have to stop the timer so that that timer which is making sure is there is stopped. So just write the timer .1 dot stop. Okay, so it should stop it. It should stop loading the thing. It should hide what and also stop loading. Okay, so here too, that's it. So we need to what, make sure that the page loading is time. So this one we'll just double click on this form here. You double click and you also write timer dot start. So that's so there's it. So this place will make sure that it will stop, but this one will load. It will start loading. That's why the timer dot start is here to start load. Let's see how it runs. So click on it. So let's see, it loads, then it stop. You see how it is? It loads, then it stop. Just simple like that. So we are done with the progress bar. So let me read it again. This is how it is. You first of all click on the timer here, then you write progress bar should increase +5. So progress bar dot increase +5. Then you write if progress bar dot value is equals to 100, then me dot hide. Mean means the page that you're working should hide it, and the time should what, stop. That's it. And also you click on the main page here. That's this. That's the timer should start so that it will move well for you. That's the progress bar. So just like, how many steps was that? So 1 2 3 4 5. So that's it. Simple. We're done with the progress bar. So now let's build the login, and so after that this thing has finished loading like this, it will just head on to the login. So this is how you're going to build the login. So we are building 3 things so that in case they ask you in the question, if you are asked to build one, then you build one. If you are asked to build the main form, then you have to follow this procedure. That's the stair diagram. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. This is the progress bar. So we are done with the progress bar. So let's build the login within simple minutes. So this one is just simple. So if you want to build a login so that we will link it after this one I finished loading, then you click on